Now, and this is what the individual demand curve does. So the individual demand curve, and probably many of you have seen this already. So the individual demand curve shows the quantity a buyer will purchase at every possible price. Okay? So this is the individual demand curve. The quantity a buyer will purchase at every possible price. Now, in order to introduce this individual demand curve, we're going to take a particular example, and we're going to look at a person named Joy, and she has a particular demand for the movies, to go to the movies. Now, how does her individual demand look like? So first look at this table. So if the price per movie is equal to $20, she will not go to the movies at all. So the quantity is equal to 0. However, if the price drops to 19 euros, she goes to one movie in that particular month. If the price drops further to $18, she goes to 2 movies, and so on and so forth. And if the price drops to 0, she will watch, or she will go to 20 movies in total in 1 month.